Hey, it's Kelly with your A1 Minute sponsored by BIM Heating and Cooling. Featured on the e-edition is the teamwork to help those in need far away. In April, a Fredericksburg-led team will conduct a mission trip to two West African countries, Ghana and Benin, to deliver emergency care, public education, and community training. The board of directors at the Moss Free Clinic, which is closing, elected to ship stored supplies to West Africa to help medical personnel in need of bandages and blood testing kits, gowns, and gloves. Also, Life Care Medical Transport, the company, which has donated 3 ambulances to Ukraine, agreed to donate an ambulance to Ghana. Nana Noy, the regional systems coordinator of the Rappahannock EMS Council, is hoping to complete the team of volunteer paramedics, nurses, and physicians, as well as educators and public health advocates to make the journey. Those interested can get more information online at impactworld.net or through email at info@impactworld.net. All right, that's it. You can read more on this story and others by downloading the Freelance Star mobile app. We'll be back soon with another A1 Minute brought to you by BIM Heating and Cooling.